we are going to see how to solder these two wires together. Okay. First, remove the sleeve. Slightly scrap the strands. Twist it properly. And do the tinning process. So for tinning, take some flux. And then do the tinning process by applying the lead. Now, connect these two wires together. Twist it properly. And again, solder it once again. Extra leads can be cut. There we have to bend it. Now, in order to close this, use a sleeve. There are sleeves available in the market. Either you can use plastic sleeves or cotton sleeves. So this is how you need to connect two wires together.